Are you passionate about plants and coffee? Imagine combining the best of both worlds by starting a plant nursery with a cozy cafe in Malaysia. Not only will you be nurturing nature, but you'll also be offering a relaxing spot for people to unwind. Malaysia's warm climate and green spaces provide the perfect backdrop for a plant nursery business. With the increasing interest in home gardening and sustainable living, this venture has tremendous potential. But what makes it even more appealing is the addition of a cafe, where visitors can sip on freshly brewed coffee while surrounded by greenery. Starting this business is simple. You'll need to register your company, find the right location with space for plants and seating, and source high-quality plants and coffee beans. Think about creating a space that not only sells plants but offers a sensory experience: sight, smell, and taste. So, if you're ready to start a plant nursery with a cafe, make sure to create an inviting atmosphere, focus on quality plants and coffee, and be part of a growing trend in Malaysia. Ready to turn your passion into a thriving business? Visit 3E Accounting Malaysia to learn how we can help you set up your plant nursery cafe today.